Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8 data handling. In that exercise 2, question number 1. The question is given here. The number of wristwatches manufactured by a factory in a week are as follows. Monday, how many watches? 300. Tuesday, 350. Wednesday, 250. Thursday, 400. Friday, 300. Saturday, 275 watches are manufactured by a company in a week. The following like this. Now here given that represent the data using pictograph. Choose a suitable scale. Represent the data using pictograph. Pictograph means what nana? Oka watch diagram toti mana represent cheyali. So we should take a suitable scale. Okay na? So here number of wristwatches in a week. The days are given like this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The days are given like this. The number of watches on Monday, how many nana? 300 watches. On Tuesday, 350 watches. Next on Wednesday, 250. Thursday, 400. Friday, 300. Saturday, 275.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. So we know this is what, Nana? This is wristwatch. Yes. So simply I am drawing a watch diagram. The scale like this. Okay. Like this. This is watch, Nana. So this is a watch diagram. You simply pictograph annadu kada. So then you can draw the small picture. Okay na? It's a wristwatch diagram. So I taken this is equals to how many watches nana? 25 watches and one symbol. This symbol is equals to how many watches? 25 watches. Okay na? So this one symbol, the scale represents 25 watches. Now see here. The manufacturing company in a week, the manufactures the number of wristwatches. How many here on Monday? In Monday, how many? 300. So that's why what I am doing, slowly. Okay, now like this. Now how many watches here? This symbol represents how many watches?
25.
How many? 25. Next, again, how many? 25 what nana? 50. Next, like that only. The symbol represents 25 again. Means 25, 25, 50, 25, 75. Next. Next what nana? 100. Next. Like that only you draw. 125. Next, 150. Next, 200. 175. 175. Next, 200. And one diagram. The symbol is represent 25 watches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 25s are, that is 200. So more we want, that's why I am drawing here upward, upside. Okay my dears, so like this. Next, so how many symbols? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Next, 2 more. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay students, so now see 4 symbols. 1 2 3 4, 4 symbols 100. 1 2 3 4, again 4 symbols 100, 200. Next 1 2 3 4, మొత్తం totally how many symbols now? I draw 12 symbols. అంటే 12 25 are, that is what now? 300. So it is not possible to draw the 300 watch symbols like this horizontally. It is not possible to draw it because of it will take very much space. So that's why by using the shootable scale, I taken a shootable scale. I draw 12 figures like that. The next one what now? 350. So just before we draw for 300 how many symbols? For 300 how many symbols we draw here? 12. 350 ante you should draw the more 2 symbols. Yes or no? So that's why you draw.
Yes, sir.
Okay students, on Tuesday how many number of wristwatches manufactured now? 350. So each symbol represent we taken the scale for the wristwatch, that is 25, means for 250. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి 4 symbols వచ్చేసి 100, next 4 symbols 200, next 4 symbols 300, and remaining 2 symbols 25 25, that is what now? 50, means 350. Next one what? 250. On Wednesday the number of wristwatches manufactured by a company 250, means you draw like this: 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250. How many symbols now? 4 symbols 100. 1 2 3 4, 4 symbols 100. Next 1 2 3 4, 4 symbols 100, 200. Next 2 symbols. Okay, that is what now? 50, means we get totally 10. 25 times are what? That is 250. So next entama, next 400. Okay, then again you to draw.
Yes, sir.
Okay students, so the next one is in a week, the day is Thursday. The number of watches manufactured వచ్చేసి 400. We know one symbol is represent for how many watches now? Wrist watches 25 watches. So like that 4 symbols 100, again 4 symbols 100, 200, again 4 symbols 100, that is 300, 4 symbols 100, that is 400, means for 400 wristwatches we draw 4 4s are 16 symbols, 16 wristwatch symbols. Next, in a week the day is Friday. The number of watches, number of wristwatches 300. We know one symbol is represent 25 wristwatches, 4 symbols 100, again 4 symbols 100, again 4 symbols 100. That is what Nana? Total 12 symbols. 12 into 25, that is equals to, we get 300. Next, in a week, the day is Saturday. The number of wristwatches manufactured by a company 275. So I taken like this. How many symbols? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 symbols 100. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 symbols 100. 200. Next 3 symbols. 3 25s are 75 vastundi. So 100, 100, 200. 200 plus 75 ante that is 275. So like this pictorial, especially we draw a pictograph for the particular watch. Is it clear? Particular wristwatch. Okay. So this is the required answer for the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Now the next question is given here. Details of apples sold in a week by Ahmad, a fruit vendor, are given here under the prepare a pictograph for the data. The given hint is represent 5 fruit with a symbol. Represent 5 fruit with a symbol. Okay now. So see here, what I taken scale? It's an apple symbol. This is what Nana? Apple symbol. So this symbol is equals to how many apples here? 5 apples. So now see the question. In a week, Sunday, the number of apples sold. How many? 100 apples. Okay now. So that's why I draw how many symbols? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 symbols means that is 25. 5 symbols means 25. Okay now. 25, 25, 50. Again 5 symbols means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 75. Again 5 symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally I draw 20 symbols because of 5 ones are 5 20s are 100 now. So that's why 20 symbols represents number of apples. How many now? That are 100. Next, in a week of the day, Monday, the number of apples sold, that is 85. We know one symbol represents how many apples? 5 apples. So that's why here see now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One symbol represents 5 apples means 5 symbols represent 5 5s are 25. Again 5 symbols represent 5 5s are 25. 25, 25, 50. Again 5 symbols means 25. 50 plus 25 means that is 75. Then 2 symbols, that is 5 plus 5, 10. 75 plus 10 means that is 85. Next, see, in a week of the day, Tuesday, the number of apples purchased, the number of apples sold, that is 90. That's why what I taken here, 5 symbols. 5 symbols represent 25 apples. Again 5 symbols represent 25 apples. 25, 25, 50. Again 5 symbols represent that is 25 apples. Means 75. 75 plus 2 symbols. 2 symbols means what Nana? 10. 85. 85 plus 1 symbol means 5. That is what Nana? 85 plus 5 and 90 vastundi. Next, in a week of the day, Wednesday, the number of apples sold, that is 80. So we know one symbol represents 5 apples. Like that only 5 symbols represent 25 apples. 5 symbols represent 25. Again 5 symbols represent 25. Okay, now 25, 25, 50. Again 5 symbols represent 25. 75 and one more symbol, that is 80. Next, in a week of the day, Thursday, the number of apples purchased is 60. We know one symbol represents 5 apples. Like that only 5 symbols represent 25 apples. 5 symbols represent 25 apples. 25, 25, 50. Again 2 symbols. 5 plus 5, 10. 50 plus 10 means that is 60. Next, in a week of the day, Friday, the number of apples sold, that is 95. Means we taken here, that is 19 symbols, because of ఇక్కడ 100 apples అంటే we taken here 20 symbols. ఓకేనా, దట్స్ వై ఇక్కడ 95 అంటే ఒక 5 లెస్ అవుతుంది. 5 లెస్ మీన్స్ 1 symbol represent 5 apples కదా. సో దట్స్ వై I brought here 19 symbols. Next, in a week of the day, Saturday, the number of apples purchased 70. So the 5 symbols represent 25. Again 5 symbols represent 25. 25, 25, that is 50. 4 symbols represent 20. That is 50 plus 21 and 70. So like this we can take the shootable graph. Okay, now actually the scale is in given data only.
5
One
seconds.
symbol represent 5 apples. Okay, now so that's why I taken like this. If you want to change the scale, one symbol represent 10 apples means you will get not like this, more symbols, half symbols to close అవుతుంది. Okay na students, so this is the required solution for the question.